Hello, and welcome to English Listening for Learners. Here, you can listen to simple English stories for beginners. These stories really help you improve your listening, vocabulary, and speaking. Turn on captions if you'd like to read along. Relax, listen, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Leo goes to a birthday party. Leo is standing outside a house on Saturday afternoon. He is holding a small gift box in his hands. The box is blue with a yellow ribbon. Leo looks at the house. There are balloons by the door. There is a sign that says, "Happy birthday, Sam." Leo smiles. Today is his friend Sam's birthday party. Leo feels excited, but he also feels a little shy. There will be many children at the party. Leo takes a deep breath. Then he walks to the front door. He rings the bell. Ding dong! The door opens. Sam is standing there with a big smile. "Leo," Sam says, "you are here." Leo smiles too. "Happy birthday, Sam," he says. "Thank you," Sam says. "Come inside." Leo walks into the house. He sees colorful balloons and paper stars. He sees a big birthday cake on the table. The cake is white and blue. There are many children in the living room. Some are talking. Some are playing a game. Some are eating chips and cookies. Leo gives Sam the gift box. Sam looks happy. "Thank you, Leo," he says. "I will open it later." Leo looks around the room. At first, he does not know what to do. Then Sam says, "Come play with us." Leo walks over to the game area. The children are playing musical chairs. The music starts. The children walk around the chairs. Everyone is smiling and laughing. Then the music stops. The children sit down fast. One boy is too slow. He laughs and says, "Oh no!" Leo laughs too. Now he feels more comfortable. Next, it is Leo's turn to play. The music starts again. Leo walks around the chairs carefully. Then the music stops. Leo sits down quickly. He got a chair. Leo smiles. This game is fun. After the game, Sam's mother brings out juice and snacks. There are cookies, chips, apples, and little sandwiches. Leo takes a cup of orange juice. He also takes a cookie and some apple slices. He sits at the table with Sam and two other children. Their names are Noah and Ella. "What games do you like?" Noah asks. "I like soccer," Leo says. "And I like drawing too." Ella smiles. "I like drawing," she says. Sam says, "I like soccer." Now the children are talking and smiling. Leo does not feel shy anymore. Soon, Sam's mother says, "It is cake time." Everyone walks to the table. The birthday cake looks beautiful. There are candles on top. The children sing together. "Happy birthday to you." Sam smiles and closes his eyes. He makes a wish. Then he blows out the candles. Everyone claps. Sam's mother cuts the cake. She gives a piece to each child. Leo takes a bite. It is sweet and soft. He likes it very much. After cake, it is time to open presents. Sam sits on the floor near the table. The children sit around him. Sam opens one gift after another. He gets a puzzle, a toy car, and a soccer ball. Then he opens Leo's gift. Inside the box is a set of colored markers. Sam smiles big. "Wow," he says. "These are great! Thank you, Leo." Leo feels happy. "I'm glad you like them," he says. Soon, The party is almost over. Parents begin to arrive. Children put on their shoes and jackets. Leo's mother comes to the door. She smiles at him. "Did you have fun?" she asks. Leo smiles. "Yes, I did," he says. "It was a great party." Leo waves goodbye to Sam. "Happy birthday again," he says. "Thank you for coming," Sam says. Leo walks home with his mother. The sky is turning orange and pink. He feels warm and happy inside. At first, he was shy, but now he is glad he came. It was a fun day, a happy party, and a sweet memory. Thank you for listening. Did you understand the story? Write your favorite part in the comments. Please subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video.